Teacher. Teacher.
Ano, Mir,
Yes.
okay, here, okay. Can you see this one?
Yes.
Okay, our topic for today is about travel English. So let us have here, since we're talking travel, let us have here, so in here, what kind of questions might be asked at the visa interview? Example, you will go to US or you will go to America or Canada. What do you think? What travel informations or what travel questions, kind of question that might be asked at the visa interview?
I think kind of question might be asked at the visa interview is about how myself about how the charters or the my work.
Like how to travel or like that. It could be
Yes.
probably like that. Okay. So now we have here some of the dialogue. Okay, so I will ask here, I am the officer and you are Lisa. Let us read the dialogue and let us check your answer. Okay, so after you read, you will can ask questions. Okay, I am the officer. Good morning. May I have your documents?
Good morning. Here they are.
Thank you. Now please answer my questions. Honestly, what is the purpose of your visit?
Um, I would like to visit both New York and Boston for vacation. You can see a travel store in my itinerary.
Okay, so I see what will be the duration of your stay.
I will be in US for 1 month.
Okay, where will you be staying?
In New York, I will be staying with my cousin house and in Boston, I'll be staying at the Regis house
Hotel.
hotel.
Here
Here
is
is closing address and my hotel. Re-
reservation. Reservation. Okay. Okay, well, everything seems to be in order. Lisa,
okay. Uh, Thank you for your time, sir.
okay, very good. So, okay, please read it again, huh? And then after a while, you will then answer the questions.
Okay.
You tell me if you're done reading.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're done?
Yes.
Okay, so please try to answer these questions, Tono. So do you remember the officer's questions? What were they? Do you remember the officer's questions? What were they?
I think it's about the Lisa's vacation is a sample. Where will you be staying?
Mm-hmm.
And what what will be the duration of your stay?
Mm-hmm. What
And
else?
my uh and may I have your the comments?
May I know your documents?
Mm,
Okay. Yes. So here. So what else? What is duration? Do you know the word duration?
durations. I think about Lisa vacation.
Okay, duration. It means how long. Okay, duration, how
Uh-huh.
long. Okay. So what might be the other purpose of your visit?
I think another is um uh the activity I can do in there and about my passport or myself. I think so.
Okay, so probably you want other activity. Okay. So why you were gonna go there? Maybe for work, for pleasure. You're just going there for fun. Then number three, what other ways can you ask? What will be the duration of your stay? Example, ha? What other ways can you ask? Example, what will be the duration of your stay? So if you were gonna ask someone who wants to travel, what do you think is the duration of your stay? What do you think is the other thing that you are gonna ask?
On what days
Mm.
can you ask? Let me see. Is about activity or about how to travel.
Uh-huh.
I think so. It's something else.
Okay, you like travel or you want to have travel.
Yes.
Okay, so here now, please here match the words with their meaning. Put them in the right sentences. You have to put them in the right sentences.
Okay.
Yes, go. Please put them in the right sentences. Okay, please try to write. Match the words with their meanings. Put them in the right sentences. Look at the example.
Fitness teacher.
Okay, so what is your answer for number one? An arrangement to secure something. It is reservation. Like, do you need to look at my hotel reservation? Very good. Yay. Okay. So a dated plan for a journey. A detailed plan for a journey. It is hmm,
Mm,
what? No answer? Okay, three
okay.
as letter C. The reason for which something is done. Answer is the reason. It is the
Is the reason I will
okay. The
be
answer, the reason is purpose. Okay, that's there's already answer. Look at that. There's already that answer. Can you see? There's already answer here. The reason or the purpose. My purpose is going to London. Number four. Number B,
for
it's detailed plan for a journey. The answer is itinerary. Okay, itinerary. Okay. So
yes.
the blank. Okay, five, letter D. The length of time something continues for. What is the length of time? It is the duration. Okay, the duration. The durations, it will be there for 2 months. Okay, my troubles are in my itinerary. You need to look, okay, my purpose number three. Okay, it's duration. Number three is the answer for letter D. Okay, so quite hard for you. You find it hard?
Yes.
Okay, that's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, so this one. Now, sort the answers into the correct questions. Sort the answer into the correct questions. What is the purpose of your visit? Second, what will be the durations of your stay? Where will you be staying? Okay, can you put all these questions? Okay, I mean the answers in the correct question box. Okay, you write number one, two, and three. Ha, in your chat, you can write what is the purpose number one, this number two, and number three. Sample, this is letter O. Write letter A, letter A. You have to write this letter, sorry, letter A, then B, correspondingly, B, then C. Then write the number. What number belong to number letter A? What number belong to B? Okay, go.
Okay.
I know you can do it.
Okay.
Just write the correct number. You tell me if you're done, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Happiness teacher
Okay. So what will be your
Philippines.
answer? Awit, hawit. Hey.
Cat teacher.
Okay, number A, sorry, letter A. What is the purpose of your visit? One, two, and five. I'm going to visit. Very good. Two, I will study at New York for a master's degree. Very good. And five, I'm visiting Paris for business. Wow, very good. Letter B. Okay, letter B. What will be the duration of your stay? A, three, about a month. A, that's very good. It's time. Another six. I plan to stay for 2 weeks. Very good. Again. Next one. Where will you be staying? This is the place. Okay, four and seven. I'll stay at the Boston Hotel. Here is my reservations. And seven, I'll live in the dormitory at my university. Okay, very good.
Um,
Okay, next one. Here, ha. Ay, sorry. Okay, so this one. Have a mock visa interview with your teacher. Example ha, this you are gonna think about this. Okay, I am the officer. Example, I am the officer. I am the teacher. I am the officer. And you are the applicant. You are the student. Okay, so I will gonna have to ask key purpose, durations, accommodations. Applicant, you are gonna have to do your part about this. Again, you are gonna do, I'd like to belong. I plan to stay. I'll be staying where? Okay, so you think of a mock interview. I will be the mock interview. I will ask you questions about your visit, where you will stay, and of course, how many months or days or weeks you are gonna have the vacation. Okay, so you
okay.
think, and then after a while,
Okay.
You tell me ha if you're done. If you're done, you tell teacher, teacher, I'm finished. So teacher can ask.
Mm.
Tell me. I am the teacher and you are the student. So I will gonna ask you about that.
Mm.
Sige, sige makatawa. Ha? Hindi makakatawa. Amy. Im? Oo. Bahala. Ma. Bahala ka daw. Bahala. Ma. Yan. Mm.
Hey,
Mm.
teacher.
Bahala ka daw. Bahala ka daw. Magsuyod na lang. Bata ka ron. Basta di ako. Eh, ako po din si Panalo. Ay, oh, ganito ma. Okay, so ready? Okay, so now, hello, good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Okay, so when are you going to travel? Or what country you are going to travel?
I think I will travel in Japan and Korea.
Okay, so what is the duration of your stay?
I will. I will. Let me see. You can see the
Mm-hmm.
term.
Okay,
Uh,
so what are your duration? What is the duration of your stay?
Duration. And I will
Yes, you are going
say
to Korea, right?
yes.
Okay, like how many? Okay, how many days or weeks you are going to Korea?
I think I will be in there 1 month.
One
About 1.
month. Okay, so where will you stay in Korea for 1 month?
I think I will stay in hotel or my friend house.
Okay, you don't have relatives in Australia?
I think in no. Oh, Have you
Okay,
tried?
so you don't have relatives or friends in Korea?
No, I travel only Korea and Japan.
Okay, you travel only Korea and Japan. Wow, that's very good. Okay, that's great. Okay, so you will be staying with a friend in Korea for 1 month and you'll be traveling Korea and Japan. Okay. So, what do you think you were gonna do in Korea and Japan?
I think I will walk around the town or buy some or try some street food And I think in Korea, in Japan has many with real and island manga.
Okay. So what you were gonna do in Korea? You said you will travel to Korea. What you were gonna do there?
I think sightseeing and try some traditional food and they go around the town to sightseeing.
You were gonna have sightseeing.
Yeah.
Okay, so next one. Now, so
Mm,
you have here, what's the purpose of your visit? Okay, so what will be the duration of your stay? This is what teacher asked you, where will you be staying? Okay, so these three are the important things that the embassy officers will gonna ask about the travel for the applicant. Okay, so this is quite easy for everyone who will going to travel. Okay, next is how you will going to book a flight. Okay, so of course, how might you book a flight? If I will ask you, how might you will gonna book a flight? You will gonna book a flight through what? How? In what way?
think I can book in in the website
Okay,
or a telephone or go to the airport to buy like to to buy to
okay,
book a
very good. So you're gonna book a flight to telephone. Okay, it could be internet. Okay, that's common already. You don't need to go to the airline shop or to the tourist shop for you to book a flight. You can do it online. Okay, so we have here reading the dialogue and checking the booking procedure. Okay, so I am Andy and you are Sarah. Okay, ready? Hello, is this Enjoy Travel Agency?
okay.
How can
Yes, sure. Okay,
mm.
I have you.
I'd like to book a flight to Los Angeles leaving this Thursday from Beijing.
Let me check that for you. We only have first class ticket left. Would you like to book it?
No, I just want an economy class ticket. Are there any other flights departing before 10 a.m. on Friday?
There's a flight with depart on 8 at 8 a.m. on Friday, and because of the time differences, and it will bring into LA around afternoon local time. There are economy class seats available for
7,499. 7,499 RMB. Okay, great. Please, can I book one?
security. Sure. Uh, I just need to take that out your details.
Okay, details. It's not details, it's details. Again, details.
Details
Okay, so now, Tono, what do you think they're talking about here? So what do you think they're talking about in here?
is about Andy, about
Okay.
Sarah want
What do you think Anda and Sarah are talking about here? They are talking about,
to book a flight.
okay, about booking flight and traveling. Okay, so please read it carefully and after a while you tell me because you will gonna ask questions.
Okay,
Okay, so we're talking here about travel.
Sarah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, tell me ha if you're done.
Mm. Okay, teacher.
Okay, so please answer me. Okay, I will ask her. Okay, how did Andy book his flight? How did Andy book his flight?
Uh, Andy booked this flight by telephone,
Okay, bye.
by call call
Okay,
the
how did Andy book his flight? By telephone. Now,
yeah.
what might prices differ for seats on the same plane? What might prices differ for seats on the same plane?
Because it has different different class ticket.
Okay. So when booking an international flight, what should you pay attention to? When booking an international flight, what should you pay attention to? You'll pay attention to price or what? What do you think? What you will gonna pay attention for?
I think I think we bring up the passport and some money and spend the time.
Okay, very good. Of course, you are gonna have to okay, bring the passport, okay, and then you're gonna have to think about the price. How much is the price is it? So of course you need to have money because you are talking here about price. So you need to have money for that one. Okay, it's very
Okay.
important. Okay, so Tono, teacher don't have enough time, so I will see you on Wednesday, 8 p.m. again. Okay. Okay, so sorry because teacher has another class after this. Okay, on Wednesday, I will add time for you. Okay, Tono? Okay, can you hear teacher?
Yes,
Okay, so I will see you Wednesday, 8 p.m., right?
right. Yes.
Okay,
8 p.m.
yes. Thank you so much, Tono, ha, for today. God bless. See you at 8 p.m. Wednesday. Bye.